Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is mustard greens with garlic. Mustard greens, Indian mustard, Chinese mustard, kai toi or leaf mustard is a species of mustard plant. The leaf, the stem, and the seeds are all edible. Mustard oil comes from the mustard seeds. The leaf and the stem can be stir-fried, boiled, and pickled. Mustard greens are used in many cuisines such as African, Italian, Indian, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and African American cuisines. Now, before we start, let's take a look at what we need for the dish.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of ingredients. 16 ounces mustard greens cut into bite-sized pieces. 4 cloves of garlic minced. 4 tablespoons garlic infused oil. Previously, I did a show on how to DIY garlic infused oil. If you do a search in my channel, you should be able to find it. 1.5 teaspoons salt. 2 teaspoons sugar. We finished the preparation and now we are ready to cook. I am turning on the electric wok to 350 degrees, which is high heat for the electric stove or medium to high heat for the gas stove. I am adding 4 tablespoons garlic infused oil to let it heat for 1 minute until the oil is hot. It's been a minute. The oil is hot. We're going to cook the garlic for 1 minute until the garlic is slightly browned. It's been a minute. The garlic is slightly browned. Now we're going to add mustard greens, salt, sugar, to cook for 4 minutes until the mustard greens are wilted. It's been 4 minutes. The mustard greens are wilted. It is done.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.
I hope you enjoy this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.